Hello guys, I Arabinda Mohapatra. Today we are going to discuss regarding the filter context in the Power BI. So what is filter context? Basically, filter context is the set of the filter that has been first of all applied to the data before the calculation actually happened. So here we have put the total cells. Basically, total cells is a measure, and we have get it by the help of the some function. So basically, we have sum all the cells from the table. So we have put it in the card. So currently it's showing 12.64 million. So now if we'll put it in a pivot table. If here we have built a pivot table, and here the market that is coming in the rows part, and all the categories will be in the column section. So from here basically it has been segregated. The market is Africa, and the furniture is the category is furniture. Then it's coming 16,262.09 cell. So 09 rupees. So here it has been, first of all, how it will be the DAX will be get calculated. First of all, data will get filtered first, and it will go to the data model. So if we'll go to the data model first, then how it will be happening in the backend of the data model. First of all, it will go to the market. First of all, it will go to the market table and market column, and it will filter as Africa. Then it will go to the category column, and then it will filter as a furniture. And here now it will calculate all the cells, all the cell amount. So here, so in this particular way, in the three steps, it will be get filter out. So I will try to explain it one more time. So first of all, data will get filtered first, then calculation will be carried out on the top of the filtered data only, and value will be returned to the visual. So it will be coming from the left to right. So relationship. So basically how the filter context will work when there is a relationship between the two table. So we'll go to the data model. So basically we have the two table, the people, and the existing table is order, and this two table is getting joined, like getting correlated with each other by the region column. So here it is many to one relationship basically. So how it will be? So now we have the table, that person, and the total cell. The person is coming from the people's table, and the total cells is coming from the another table, that is order table. So here this, as we can see, this two table is getting connected with each other by the help of the region table. And here the relationship, here the filter context will go from the people's table to the order table with the help of this region. The first it will filter out all the basically all the common region in between these two tables, and then calculated all the cells from the order table. So this is all about the filter context. Maybe in the coming video we will see a difference between the filter context, raw context, and the context transition. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.